in love with your body, everything's covered in something new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
That, and then you want to also use it on the other part off, and then just place the rag onto the double-sided tape. Make sure it sticks well. Put immense amount of pressure on it so that and there, you have the two wools interconnected. Now you're just ready to hang it up onto the cage. So guys, here you can see that I've stuck the 2 strings to the top part of the cage. Now you can see that it's really big and the bird will have sufficient room inside to sleep in. So it's just the one day I've just put it. So I've seen the bird go inside before. I couldn't capture it because the bird gets scared of the camera, but that's no big deal. Your bird will eventually have a good time sleeping inside, and I hope you guys have a good time making it. Remind me in the comments below how it went. Tell me in the comments if your bird went inside and if your bird did have a good time inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So stay tuned to my next birdie videos in my channel.